Experience the perfect student life at Here Kansas in Lawrence, a place with campus proximity and high-end amenities. Choose from stunning 1 to 4 bedroom apartments with shared bathrooms and private bedrooms featuring a warm bed, ample wardrobe space, cozy study nook, and in-unit laundry facilities for unparalleled comfort. Your rent covers all utilities, so no hidden costs or additional bills. Step outside the room and hit the action-ready gym. Hustle in the study lounge with speedy Wi-Fi, and recharge at the coffee lounge. Shoot hoops on the basketball court or dive into the pool and chill with friends. On weekends, catch a movie in the in-house movie theater for some limited fun. There's also a health center available on-site for your overall well-being. The best part is that Kansas State University and the University of Kansas are just minutes away by car for your convenience. Also, with the buses at 310 West Campus and the train at Lawrence Station, transit is effortless. So, visit amberstudent.com to book your spot at Here Kansas in Lawrence now.